How's it going, YouTube? Back out with the XC Mad Drift. It's supposed to be my 8th scale in the competition that y'all just passed seen that I just posted. Unfortunately, I blew a diff as I was tuning it, so I had to wait for the parts, and it didn't come in time for me to tune it again. So I ran my buggy, had fun, had an awesome time. We got another event coming up July 26th. Same place and everything. Shout out to everybody that said they liked the spot. Shout out to Miguel for coming. But anyway, we back out here tuning. Well, I'm testing right now. I'm not even tuning. I just want to test this car, make sure that it's good, because I blew the diff. So we just gonna make sure that it hold up and go from there. Kind of bumpy out here. I'm gonna try to stay on this side, guys. We are on 6S. Just want to make sure the diff hold up. Sounds good though, man. She's running good, especially for what she is. A lot of people doubt this car, man, but I know she got some numbers in her. I just been doing too much testing, tuning, and dragging, so I ain't really get to get it in how I want, but she'll get there. Y'all stay tuned with me. I didn't even really get to get in it. I'll let y'all hear the difference right now with me in it. That's me in it. A rock hit me right in my hand, boy. That thing feel like it cut me. Oh, man. Let me just test this motor real quick, make sure it ain't too hot. Yeah, C seem to be running cool still. Yeah, the motor ain't that bad. I don't got no heat sink on that or nothing. Running good. And how I think I blew the diff before is the brake was too high. So you start going 70, 80 and hit the brake at a hard stop. Yeah, that's much better. Bumpy out here, that's why I'm taking it easy on the strip, y'all. Another tester there. I'm about to call it a day. It's getting packed in here. Alright, y'all, this is the last test here. We're gonna call it a wrap, man. Well, she looking good, right? So right now, she looking good. Yeah, she definitely looking good. I'm gonna need one more though, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta make sure she doing what she's supposed to. And one more. Uh-oh. Sister probably getting hot, y'all. We gonna call it a wrap, man. I don't wanna blow nothing up. Well, the motor, should I say. Every time the motor get hot, it cog like that. So, ESC would have given me a warning sign, or the fan would have been on. But I don't got either, so that's a good thing. Anyway, man, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in.